Are you able to see my screen? Hello?
Yes, sir. We are able.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next one is cost center month-end process. Cost center month-end process. Cost center month-end process. First one. Cost center plan cost splitting. Cost center plan cost splitting. Two activities. Sir, here we have three methods. Cost splitting methodologies are three types. One is equal splitting. Second one is activity, quantity or capacity based splitting. No splitting. Okay, use first method. First method, equal splitting based on activities count. Equal splitting based on activities count. Year cost will split. Year cost will split based on cost centers, activities count, based on cost center, activities count. Formula equal to total cost element cost divided by number of activities. Sir, how many activities we have? Three activities: cleaning, labor, mission. Okay, cleaning, labor, mission. Generally salaries, what is the salary value? 2,500, correct? 2,500, correct, right? 2,500. Right, sir? 2,500. Yeah. Salary 2,500 we paid. The salary we paid to whom? Which activity? We paid to cleaning activity and labors. Right? Here salary we paid to cleaning activity and labor. Cleaning people and labor people. Okay? Cleaning workers and labor workers we paid 2,500 rupees. But if you use the equal splitting method, okay, if you use equal splitting method, it will not check the nature of the activity and the nature of the cost. Okay, it will not split based on the nature of cost. It will not split. Okay, it will split all the activities equally. Example, if you use the equal splitting method, this 2,500 rupees, it will split to all your activities. Okay, 2,500 multiply or divided by how many activities we have? Three activities. 2,500 divided by 3 equal to cleaning 833, labor 833, labor 833, and mission also 833. Mission also 833. You can note down salary cost splitting. Salary cost splitting based on formula total cost element cost, salary, right? We are calculating salary, we are splitting salary. Okay, total salary cost element cost 2,500 divided by number of activities 3. You can note down like this. Cleaning 833, labor 833, mission 833. And also we can note down this complete box. This is salary example, remaining other also. Power bill, office expenses, everything, traveling expenses, canteen expenses, rent, paper bill, insurance, everything. Cost elements, okay, different. Amount same, right?
Amount 2000, sir. 2500 was.
Sorry?
2000, sir.
2000, huh?
2000, 3000, 4000.
No, here see. 2500, 3500. Same, right? Let me check. Just to give me 1 minute. Let me check.
Okay, sir.
KP06. Just to check your notes, sir. Check your notes.
Okay, sir.
0 from period 1 to 12, physical year 2022. What is the cost center? Element 1 lakh to 1 lakh 10. Form based button. You can check here. $2,500, sir. Total 48,000. 2,500, 3,500, 4,500. Second scenario. This is not first scenario. Looks like you were checking the previous one. This is a scenario one. Earlier, first I explained the basic how to maintain the plan values from the input, output, SKF. After that, I started the first scenario, input planning, activity dependent planning with month-end process. This is our plan values in KP06. Okay, KP26 we entered 3,000, 5,000, 7,000. Right, sir? Each activity cost, each cost element cost, it will split to all activities. Okay, all activities equally. If you have only 2 activities, then it will split to 2. If you have 10 activities, then it will split to 10 activities equally. Cost will split to 10 activities equally. Completed, right? Transaction code is KSS4. Transaction code is KSS4. KSS4. Note down the path. SAP menu, accounting, controlling. SAP menu, accounting, controlling. Cost center accounting. Cost center accounting. Cost center accounting. Planning. Cost center accounting. Planning. Allocations. Planning. Allocations. Splitting. KSS4. Splitting. KSS4. Cost center. LG underscore AD underscore BNG2. LG underscore AD underscore BNG2. Version 0. From period 1 to period 12. We enter the plan value for complete year, right? Here also calculate the splitting for complete year from period 1 to period 12. Which fiscal year? 2022. 2022. Select to test run. Select to details list. Select to test run. Select to details list. Execute. 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 Observe the cost splitted equally to all three activities. Cost splitted equally to all three activities. Cleaning 16,000, labor 16,000, mission 16,000. Cleaning 16,000, labor 16,000, mission 16,000. Right? Excel also same. See, cleaning, what is the total value? 16. Labor 16. Mission 16. Keep the cursor on cost center BNG2. Keep the cursor on cost center BNG2. Click on cost element button. Click on cost element button. Click on cost element button. Observe the each cost element cost. Each cost element cost. Splitting breakup. Splitting breakup. Each cost element cost splitting breakup. See, first one is the salary, right? Salary cleaning 833, labor 833, mission 833. Next one, rent. Rent cleaning. Okay, total cost is how much? 2,500, 3,500. 3,500 it is splitted to cleaning equally all three. Cleaning 1100, labor 1100, mission 1100. Remaining others also same. Following, right? Why it is splitted equally? Because we are using the equal splitting method. We are using equal splitting method. Select back. Select back. Remove the test run, execute. Select back. Remove test run, execute. Remove test run, execute. Click on messages. Click on messages. Observe the error message. Observe the error message. CO business transaction KSP0. CO business transaction KSP0. Number range is missing. Sir, messages. Click on messages. KSP0 business transaction missing. Right, sir? Next one. Next one. Working note 1. Maintain CO number ranges. What is a business transaction? KSP0. Maintain CO number ranges for business transaction KSP0. What is the transaction code, sir? This is standard transaction, sir. Okay, complete all controlling number ranges will maintain KANK. FI case? OBA, sir. KANK, controlling area. What is the controlling area? LGCA, controlling area LGCA. Click on groups button. Click on groups button. Click on groups button. KSP0, right? Where is KSP? This is the one. Keep the cursor on KSP0, plan cost split, KSP0, plan cost split. Click on assignment group. Click on assignment group. Sir, which group is suitable here? This is a month-end process, right? Month-end process, plan month-end process, group number 4. Okay. Double click on group 4, plan month-end process. Double click on group 4, plan month-end process. Close the working, save, close the working node. Close the working node, reprocess the KSS4. Reprocess KSS4. Remove test run, execute. Remove test run, execute. Remove test run, execute. Observe the plan cost splitted. Observe plan cost splitted. Next one, price calculation. Next step, cost center plan activity price calculation. 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 KSPI. Formula. Activity price formula equal to total activity cost divided by total activity hours. Total activity cost divided by total activity hours. Total activity cost divided by total activity hours. You can note down this, sir. You can note down this. Sir, total, just observe first. This is the activity. How many activities we have? Cleaning, labor, mission. What is the cleaning cost? After splitting, 16,000. What is the labor cost? After splitting, 16,000. What is mission cost? After splitting, 16,000. Total cost center, my cost center cost is 48,000. This 48,000 we splitted equally, right? 48 divided by 3, 16,000, 16,000, 16,000. Now, we paid cleaning 16,000, labor 16,000, mission 16,000. For how many hours? 3,000 hours, we paid 16,000. 5,000 hours, labor worked and we paid 16,000, right? Mission worked 7,000 hours and we paid 16,000 rupees. Now, this is 3,000 hours, 16,000 rupees. Then per hour, what is the price? Okay, we have to calculate per hour price. We paid 16,000 for 3,000 hours. What is per hour price? Okay, that is nothing but price calculation. We are calculating per hour, per unit price. Per hour, per unit price. Okay, what is the price calculation formula? Total cost 16,000. 16,000 divided by 3,000. Okay, 3,000. Next one, 16,000 divided by 5,000. 16,000 divided by 7,000 equal to, this is the value. Right? You can note down this. Right? Transaction code KSPI. KSPI. Path. 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 Same path. KSPI price calculation. Same path. So just to see selection screen. Here we don't have single cost center selection option, right? Here we have the cost center group option and all cost center option. We don't have single cost center selection option, right? We are calculating the price for single cost center. Okay, but here we don't have option to select the single cost center. Okay, working note 1. Create cost center group for price calculation. Create cost center group for price calculation. What is the transaction code? KSH1. Transaction code is KSH1. Transaction code is KSH1. Cost center price calculation group 1. LGCA underscore C cost center, PC price calculation group 1. You can enter any name, sir. It is a text field. LGCA underscore CPCG1. Enter. Enter. LG underscore AD underscore BNG price calculation group. Price calculation cost center group. Price calculation group. LG underscore AD underscore BNG2 price calculation group. Click on cost center button. Click on cost center button. Cost center LG underscore AD underscore BNG2. LG underscore AD underscore BNG2. LG underscore AD underscore BNG2. LG underscore LG underscore AD underscore BNG2. Enter and save. So I am including only one cost center. Why? Because that is my requirement. I am calculating the price for only this cost center. That's why I am including this cost center in this group. Okay. KSPI. Go to KSPI. Cost center group. Cost center group. LGCA underscore CPCG1. LG underscore CPCG1. Version 0. Period 1. Period 12. From period 1 to period 12. From period 1 to period 12. Fiscal year 2022. Fiscal year 2022. Select test run. Select details list. Select test run. Select details list. Click on settings button. Click on settings button. Click on settings button. Select not optimize checkbox. Select not optimize checkbox. Save. 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 Back. Save and back. Execute. Save and back. Execute. Observe the each activity wise per hour price calculated. Each activity wise per hour year 111 per hour 111. If year it is up, if year updated 10, then this is a 10 hours price. If it is updated 100, then it is 100 hours price, right? Here it is updated the per hour 111, 1 unit price. Okay, you can note down cleaning how much? 5.33, labor 3.20, mission 2.29. Note down. Cleaning labor mission, this is the price. Cleaning labor mission. Cleaning labor mission. 1 hour price 5.33, 3.20, 2.29. Right? Select back, remove test run, execute. Remove test run, execute. Remove test run, execute. Observe the information message. Price calculation document posted. Price calculation document posted. And cost as allocated. Cost as allocated from primary cost element to 2, from primary cost element to activity cost element. Activity cost element 43. Right, sir? Enter. Enter. It is updated run. No errors. Updated run. Updated run. No errors. Updated run. No errors. Okay. Next step. Next step. Next step. Next step. Observe the activity price updation in output planning report. Observe the activity price updation in output planning report. KP27, 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 version 0 from period 1 to period 12, version 0 from period 1 to period 12, fiscal year 2022, cost center LG underscore AD underscore BNG2, cost center LG underscore AD underscore BNG2, activity type A to Z, activity type A to Z, select form based radio button, select form based radio button, click on overview, observe the, sir, can you please go on mute? Observe the fixed price each activity wise. Can note down cleaning 5.33, labor 3.20, machine 2.29. Right, sir? Sir, what is the cost element? Cost element is here cleaning 943,001, labor 943,002, mission 943,003. Right? Next one, display cost center report. Display cost center report. Display cost center report. S underscore ALR underscore 870136111. S underscore ALR underscore 870136111. Controlling area LGCA fiscal year 2022 from period 1 to period 12, version 0. Cost center BNG2. Cost center BNG2. Execute. Cost center BNG2, execute. Observe. After price calculation, cost center debit cost, credited to activity cost elements, 16,000. Okay, see each cost element. Cleaning, what is the cost, sir? 16,000, right? 16,000. Labor, what is the cost? 16,000. Mission, what is the cost? 16,000. Right? But here it is due to some decimal differences, it is calculated more or less. Okay, as per structure, it should calculate 16, 16, 16, but here it is updated due to decimals, small differences. Okay, here see 10 rupees is difference, here 4 paisa is difference, here it is calculated 29 rupees extra. Okay, and down it is updated the over under absorption cost. That means it is calculated, okay, it is distributed more than or less than debit value. Okay, here it will update over under absorption cost, debit minus credit difference. If you want to distribute properly, if you want to distribute completely properly 16, 16, 16, then during your price calculation, KSPI, what is the group? KSPI, go to settings, remove not optimize, select number of decimals, okay, more than 6. 6 or more than 6, example 6. Here, only thing is, if you maintain optimized number, then it will update your price unit not 1. Okay, for calculating over under absorption cost to 0, it will update the price per unit more than 1. Okay, wherever required to reduce the decimal count, okay, it will update the price per unit. There is no issue from labor side, that's why it is updated 1. We have some decimal issues from cleaning side and mission side. That's why it is updated the more count. Following, right? If you see now, here it is updated over under absorption cost, right? 19 rupees. What is the cost? Still we have, I'm seeing the differences. Example, let me use the 7 decimal 7 numbers. Okay, let me re-execute. Okay. Still we have the difference. Let me change the decimal. 10. Decimals 10. 10 decimals I am using. Let me check. It is updated same. Okay. Still, sir, we have to check properly. Here, enter 5 decimals. It is updated 20 paisa. Okay, minimal amount is okay, but more than 1 rupee business they will not accept. Okay, small difference is 20 paisa is okay, it is manageable. But sometimes the difference it will come if the amount is huge amount, it will come more than 1 rupee. More than 1 rupee amount is storing under here, then business they will not accept. Please split this amount also. Okay, whatever updated in over under absorption cost, split this amount also. If amount is this difference is more than 1 rupee, here less than 1 rupee, it is okay. Okay, following, right? Yes. Any questions, sir, till here? If no, then we completed the one process. This is a complete cost center month end process. Okay, first we estimated the input planning, second output planning. Once that is completed, we started the month end process. First one, cost center actual plan activity cost splitting. Next one, price calculation. Total 4 steps. Only 4 steps, right? Yes. This is if you use the equal splitting method. Next method, activity quantity or capacity based splitting. Activity quantity or capacity based splitting. Activity quantity or capacity based splitting. Activity quantity and capacity based splitting. I will create 2 more GL accounts. Okay. I created the 2 more GL accounts. This is 1,09,000, 1,10,000. Okay. Yeah. Next one is activity quantity or capacity based splitting. Following, right? Input planning we completed, sir. Okay, if you want, I will execute again. KP26, first to KP06, KP06, version 0, from period 1 to period 12, fiscal year 2022. Okay, and cost center is admin cost center. I'm using admin 3. This is the one, Hyderabad 1 or Delhi 1. AD Delhi 1. AD Delhi 1. 1 lakh to 1 lakh 10. Form based. Cost center is block. Okay, cost center is blocked. We have to remove the block. AS02. This is simple one, sir. Let me check. KS02 or 03. Sir, I think date issue. See, this cost center is created from 01/01/2023 to 31/12/999. Okay, it is not. It was not created 01/04/2023. Then what is the option? We have to create cost center for those period also. Go to KS01. Okay, 01/04/2022 to, okay, till this date already it is available the cost center, right? Okay, before that date 12/31. This period cost center was not created. This period cost center was not created. Create the same. Now it is available, right? I saw recently one of the screenshot in the group. Okay, here if you maintain the date, different date, then definitely it will not accept. Okay, now it is available the cost center. See, 01/04/2022 to 31/12/9999. Earlier it was not. It was created from January 1st to 2023. 9 periods it was not created. That's why. Okay, this error is incurring. 0. KP06 form based. You can enter the values. Where? Example, this is the value. Last element was not created. Let me check. A01. Create cost element also, not only GL, create cost element also, KP06. Following, right? Now we have total 9 cost elements. From 1 lakh to 1 lakh 10, we have total 10, but one element is bonus element. That element it will not consider. See, 1 lakh, 1 lakh, 1, 2, 3 is not there because 3 is a bonus. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the plan values, this is my plan example. 1 equal splitting, save, equal splitting. Okay, remaining others it will follow previous. 2, right? 2 meaning follow as before. Before. Okay, before one is equal splitting, it will follow equal. Right? Next one, KP26. What is KP26? KP26 level, maintain the plan prices. 500, 600, 900. 500, 600, 900. 500 hours, 600 hours, 900 hours. What is the next step? Next step is cost splitting, right? We completed first two, KP06 and KP26. Input planning KP06 we completed. Second one, output planning KP26 we completed. Next one, start the cost center month end process. Currently we are in equal splitting. It will split equally. It will split equally. What is the transaction code? KSS4. KSS4. Okay. Cost center. This is a cost center, Delhi cost center. It will split equally. 1,83,000, 1,83,000, 1,83,000. Right? If you want to see the breakup, see. 10,000 splitted equally. 3,300, 3,300, 3,300. Following, right? This is equal splitting. Still we are in equal splitting. Next, price calculation. Okay, we have to calculate the price KSPI, but here we don't have the individual cost center selection option. We have to create the cost center group. What is the transaction? KSH1, price calculation group 2. Price calculation group 2. Okay. Price calculation group 2. Assignment cost center same. Following, right? Simple, sir. Next, go to KSPI. This is a cost center group now. Okay. Version 0 from period 1 to period 12, fiscal year 2022. If you want to check the report before calculation, before price calculation, if you want to check the report, check. Cost is not updated, not allocated to activities. Right, sir? Why? Because after executing the price calculation, then only it will split debit cost to credit activity cost, activity element. Remove the test run, execute. It is calculated price per hour. Per unit it is calculated. Per unit it is calculated. Select execute. See, 1,83,000, 1,83,000, 1,83,000. 3 rupees is difference due to decimal. Due to decimal issue. If you want to allocate completely, then go to settings, select optimized value. See paisa. Okay, earlier it was 3 rupees, 3 euros, now 0.24 euro. Following, right? Any questions, sir? Okay, same follow. Okay, note down. Homework. 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 Maintain the activity independent planning. Maintain activity independent planning in Delhi Admin Cost Center. Delhi Admin Cost Center and complete the month end process. And complete the month end process. Same as above. Same as above. Follow same as above with different values. With different values. Following, right, sir? Next one. Next one. Activity quantity or capacity based splitting. Next heading. Activity quantity or capacity based splitting. Activity quantity or capacity based splitting. Activity quantity or capacity based splitting. Here it's required the splitting structure. Here it's required the splitting structure. It's required the splitting structure. We have to maintain the assignments. We have to maintain the assignments. Each assignment level link cost element to two activities. Cost elements and activities. Cost elements and activities. Example, observe below. Example, observe below. So see here. Okay. Salary, rent, office expenses, traveling expenses, canteen. These many cost elements I am using. 9 cost elements, 9 or 10 cost elements. 10 cost elements I am using. Here, salary I am using based on the salary nature. I am going to split. Okay, salary belongs to cleaning employees, cleaning workers and labor workers. And I'm not splitting salary cost to mission, right? This information we have to specify in splitting structure. Okay. Next one, rent. Rent I am paying only missionary. Missionary rent I am paying. And rent cost, okay, I will not split to cleaning. Okay, I will not split to labor. I'm going to split only missionary. Why? Because this rent belongs to only mission. I am paying rent for missionaries, right? Next one, office expenses. Office expenses, I am only paying to labors. I'm not paying to, I'm only paying to cleaning workers. I'm not paying labor workers. I'm not paying missionaries, right? And traveling expenses. Traveling expenses, I provided the traveling for labors, not cleaning, not missionary. Okay, then split to traveling expenses cost to only labor, only labor. And canteen expenses, I am providing canteen food expenses to cleaning workers and labor workers. Okay, this is not applicable for missionary. And next one, power bill. I am giving the power expenses. I am not paying cleaning worker power bill. I am paying labor's power bill and missionary power bill. Okay, then this power bill cost we have to split to labor and missionary, not cleaning, right? That too based on hours, based on consumption basis. Whatever hours we used, based on that hour, we will split this cost to respective activities, right? Next one, paper bill. I am giving the paper expenses to only cleaning workers. Okay, I'm not paying labor and machinery for this paper expenses. Then split paper expenses to only cleaning. And insurance. Insurance, I am paying the insurance for cleaning workers and machineries, not labors. Then split this cost to cleaning and machinery, not labor, right? Next one, water bill. Water bill I am providing this water expenses. Water bill I am paying to all three cleaning workers, labor workers, and missionaries also. I am using some water. I am paying the water bill for missionary also. Then this cost is applicable for all three activities. It will split the cost based on the consumption, not equal, not equal. And last one, telephone expenses. This is not belongs to any. Okay, this is not belongs to any. Okay, skip. Following, right? Yes, note down this, note down this. So this is not fixed, just example, right? You can create anything here. This is just for example, understanding purpose. Okay, I am using this structure. Simple understanding purpose I am using. I am going to set up this.
Modi sir, I have a small question.
Sir, can you speak bit loud?
Yes, sir. Can you hear me now?
Hello?
Sir, now can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm able to hear you.
Yeah, yeah. So, which of these are activity, capacity, and quantity based, sir? The cleaners, labors, and in machinery?
Activity, quantity or capacity based splitting this is. Okay, here based on the splitting structure, it will split your cost to respective activities based on your consumption. Just assume my salary cost is example 2,50,000. Salary cost I paid in FI 2,50,000. This cost belongs to I paid cleaning workers and labor workers. Okay. Here generally if you use the equal splitting, then it will split equally. How many activities we have? Cleaning and labor. It will split equally 1,25,000 and 1,25,000. If you use activity quantity or capacity based splitting, quantity meaning whatever quantity you maintained in output planning. Okay, output planning. Example, my cleaning is 100 hours cleaning work. 100 hours cleaning work. And labor worked 150 hours. Labor worked 150 hours. Based on this quantity, now this cost will split. Okay, how? Example, 2,50,000. 2,50,000 multiply. What is the cleaning hour? Cleaning hours is 100 hours divided by what is the cleaning plus labor? Total hours 250 hours. Okay, now cleaning cost equal to 2,50,000 multiply 100 labor hours divided by total labor and cleaning hours 250 equal to 1 lakh. Out of 2,50,000, 1 lakh belongs to cleaning and remaining amount 2,50,000 multiply 150 labor hours 150 divided by labor plus cleaning. How much? 250 equal to 1,50,000. It will split to labor. This is activity quantity based splitting. Capacity meaning your output, your production. Example, your output, whatever output you entered, based on that output, it will split the cost, right? This is activity quantity. In case of capacity, you have to plan the capacity. What is cleaning capacity? What is labor capacity? Based on that capacity value, it will split the cost. Following, right?
Okay, yeah, yeah, got it. Thank you, sir.
Okay. First step, step number 1, define splitting structure. Define splitting structure. OKES. Define splitting structure. Define splitting structure. OKES. Please note down. Note down the path. SPRO, IMG, controlling. SPRO, IMG, controlling. SPRO, IMG, controlling. Cost center accounting. Cost center accounting. Cost center accounting. planning, allocations, activity allocation, splitting, activity allocation, splitting, define splitting structure, OKES, define splitting structure, OKES, click on first step, create splitting rule. Step 1, create splitting rule and method. Create splitting rule and method. Create splitting rule and method. Click on splitting rule folder. Click on splitting rule folder. Click on new entries. Click on splitting rule method. Click on new entries. What is the company code? LGMB. LGM1, LGM2, LGM1 activity quantity based splitting, LGM2 no splitting. Okay, I am creating the two rules, sir. LGM1, LGM2. Okay, LGM1 activity quantity based splitting, LGM2 no splitting. Select method. Each rule level we have to select the method. Sir, which method is suitable? First LGM1 12 activity quantity based splitting. 12 activity quantity based splitting. LGM2 no splitting, right? Which method is suitable? 0 no splitting. If you want to split the cost based on capacity, then select to 23. Okay, 23 capacity planning. You have to plan capacity, not activity. Okay, activity quantity based splitting 12, no splitting 0. Save. Right? Capacity is the output, sir. What is your capacity? How much value you are producing? Okay, production. Your capacity. I am going to produce 100 FG stock, 200 SFG stock. That capacity you have to plan. Based on that capacity, your production capacity planning, it will split. Okay. Yeah. First step we completed. Splitting rule and method creation. Next one. Step 2, create a splitting structure. Create a splitting structure. Create a splitting structure. Create splitting structure. Click on splitting structure folder. 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 Click on new entries. Click on new entries. It is a 2-digit code, sir. It is a 2-digit code. L1. L1 cost center, activity cost splitting, cost center, activity cost splitting for LGMD. Enter and save. Click on click on save. Select splitting structure L1. Click on splitting structure L1 and click on assignments folder. Right, sir? Click on assignments folder. Click on new entries. Assignments folder. Click on new entries. Sir, how many assignments we have here? Sir, here we have separate method for only cleaning, only labor, only mission. Right? Following, right, sir? We are splitting some cost to only cleaning, some cost to only labor, only mission. That means three separate assignments. And other one, cleaning plus labor, one assignment. That is fourth one. Following, right? And next one, labor plus mission. That is fifth assignment. And other one, cleaning plus missionary. That is sixth assignment. And last assignment, seventh assignment, cleaning plus labor plus mission. That is seventh assignment. And the last one, eighth assignment, no combination. No. Okay, no. See here, assignment 1, cleaning, 2, labor, 3, mission, 4, cleaning and labor, 5, labor and mission, 6, cleaning and mission, 7th one, cleaning, labor, mission, and no split. Okay, create 8 assignments. Assignment 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or if you want to enter some other name, 1000, 2000, 3000, or L1, L2, L3, L4, A, B, C, D. You can enter anything, sir. Okay, I am entering 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, cleaning cost split based on the rule. We created the rule, right? Where is that? LG M1, and this is LG M2, no splitting. Following, right, sir? Note down. 3 columns, assignment to text to rule. Right, sir? Yes. Next one. Next to side heading. Assign each assignment level. Assign each assignment level source cost elements and target activities. Target activities. Select first assignment cleaning. Select first assignment cleaning. Select first assignment cleaning. Click on selection for assignment folder. Click on selection for assignment folder. Click on new entries. Click on new entries. Sir, only cleaning cost belongs to cleaning cost belongs to how many elements we have? How many elements we have, sir? We have 2 elements only belongs to cleaning. Following, right? We have 2 elements. One is 1 lakh 2, 1 lakh 7. These 2 elements belongs to cleaning cost. Cleaning cost. Here we cannot enter from account 1 lakh 2 to 1 lakh 7. Right? Why? Because it is not sequence. If you enter 1 lakh 2 to 1 lakh 7, then complete this range will consider as a cleaning cost. Right? Here, what is the option? Create group and include your 2 elements in the group level. Create a new cost element group and assign cost elements under group. And other one, this is a configuration or master data, sir. This is configuration or master data? This is a configuration, right? We are in SPRO. It is a configuration. It is a configuration. Okay, better to create a group. Okay, better to create group. Why? Because in future, after 4 years, after 10 years, if you want to include one more cost element for first assignment, then again you have to change the configuration. Configuration always will start from which system? Development system, right? Development system. Configuration always we have to do in development system. Development, next to move it to testing, next to production. But group is a master data, right? Group is a master data. Directly you can create the groups or you can change the groups in production system directly. No need to go to development, complete the setup, move it to quality, complete, next to production. Okay, not required. It is a small work. If even small work, if it is a configuration, then we have to start from development system, right? That's why always we have to prefer the groups. Even one element, even right now it is a one element, single cost element. Also create the group. What is the reason? In future, if you are going to add one more cost element or one more activity to this assignment, then again you have to change the configuration setup. Instead of changing or disturbing the configuration, okay, use the group. Okay, use the group. Whenever required the changes, then you can do the changes in group level. Following, right? Yeah. I'm going to create the group, sir. Click on new entries. Field label. Field label. Cost element and activity type. Field label. Cost element and activity type. Sir, how many this assignment belongs to how many activities? Only one, right? Sir, following, right? This assignment belongs to only one activity. Which activity? Only cleaning, not labor, not mission. Even though one activity, better to create a group. Okay, instead of assigning value, better to create group. Following, right? Why group is required? In future, you will be including one more value. That time you have to change this setup. That's why for future purpose, for future consideration, create groups always. Okay, note for future assignments, for future assignments, for future assignments, recommendable assignment option is a group. Recommendable assignment option is a group. Create groups and assign. Create group and assign. Sir, where can we create the cost element group? What is the transaction code? What is the cost element group transaction code? KAH1. Cost element group transaction code is KAH1. And what is the activity type group creation transaction code? Please remember the transactions, steps and transactions. KLH1. Okay, KLH1. Cost element group creation transaction code KAH1. Activity type KLH1. Activity type group creation KLH1. Okay. If you open one more screen, create, or here itself we can create. I will show you. Example LG SP splitting cleaning element group. Check the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is a more than 10. Okay. Restrict L underscore SP underscore CEG. Okay, cleaning cost element group. Cleaning cost element group. LSP cleaning AT group. Okay, cleaning AT group. Following, right? L underscore SP underscore C cleaning CEG cost element group. Down C cleaning ATG activity type group. Following, right? Keep the cursor on cost element group L underscore SP underscore CCEG. Sir, I need 20 more minutes. Okay, I need 20 more minutes. I will complete this today itself. Okay, need 20 more minutes. L underscore SP underscore CCEG. Go to menu extras. Go to menu extras. Create group. Create group. Create group. Sir, automatically it is pull the transaction KAH1. Same transaction only KAH1. Following, right? Yeah. Cleaning cost splitting following, right, sir? Click on cost element button. Click on cost element button. Okay. So what are the elements belongs to this? 1,02,000 and 1,07,000. Following, right? Assign 1,02,000 and 1,07,000. 1,02,000 office expenses, 1,07,000 paper bill. Following, right? Save. Save. Select back. Select back. So system is asking LSP underscore CATG group. Do you want to create? Select activity type group creation. Yes. Select activity type group creation. Yes. Select activity type group creation. Yes. Cleaning. Cost splitting, activity type group. Click on activity type. Click on activity type. So which activity this is? Huh? Which activity this is? Cleaning, not labor. Cleaning. Okay. This is cleaning related. Cleaning. Select cleaning activity. Enter and save. Enter and save. Right? Enter and save. Right, sir? What is the element group? SP. Assignments, whether properly assign the group or not. Sometimes it will jumble. Okay. Activity type group it will update here. Cost element group it will update here. Okay. Just to remove and reassign again. Save. Save. First assignment it is completed. First assignment is completed, right? Next one. Select back. Select assignment to labor. Select assignment to labor. Select assignment to labor. Click on selection for assignment folder. Click on selection for assignment folder. Selection for assignment folder. Click on new entries. Click on new entries. Click on new entries. Sir, what is this? Labor, right? L. Labor. Cost element group. L underscore SP underscore L CEG. L underscore SP underscore LATG. Activity type group. Activity type group. Cost element L underscore SP underscore L underscore SP underscore L underscore SP underscore LCEG. Go to menu extras create group. Go to menu extras create group. Labor cost splitting cost element group name. Labor, please note down bit faster. Labor cost splitting cost element group. Click on cost element button. Click on cost element button. Labor belongs to only labor cost. Only labor cost. Only labor cost belongs to only one activity. 1,04,000. 1,04,000. 1,04,000 traveling expenses. only labor. Traveling expenses belongs to only labor. 1 lakh for traveling expenses. Save. Save. Select back. Select back. Activity group create yes. Activity type group create yes. Activity type group create yes. Labor cost splitting activity type group. This is belongs to which activity? Only labor. This is belongs to only labor. Labor cost splitting activity type group. Click on activity type. Select labor, right? Select labor. Save. Select labor. Save. Select back. Check the assignments properly. Check the assignments properly. Okay. This is cost element group. This is activity type. Save. Right? Save. Save and back. Save and back. Select third assignment mission. Select third assignment mission. Select third assignment mission. Click on selection for assignment folder. Click on selection for assignment folder. Click on selection for assignment folder. Click on new entries. Click on new entries. Cost element group LG underscore SP underscore MCEG MATG. Mission this is only mission. L underscore SP underscore MCEG MATG. Keep the cursor on cost element group. Keep the cursor on cost element group. Go to extras, create group. Go to extras, create group. Go to extras, create group. Mission cost splitting cost element group. Mission cost splitting cost element group. Sir, mission belongs to which cost elements? How many elements? Only mission, only one. 1 lakh 1 rent. Click on cost element button. Click on cost element button. Cost element is 1 lakh 1 rent account. 1 lakh 1 rent account. Select back. Select back. Create activity type group, yes. Create activity type group, yes. Mission cost splitting activity type group, yes. Mission cost splitting activity type group. Mission cost splitting activity type group. Click on activity type. This is belongs to which activity? Mission. Mission activity. Select mission activity. select back, check the assignments properly, check the assignments properly, check the assignments properly, save and back, save and back, save and back, select fourth assignment, cleaning and labor, select fourth assignment, cleaning and labor, cleaning and labor, cleaning and labor. So cleaning and labor belongs to two elements, right? Cleaning and labor. Click on selection for assignment folder. Click on selection for assignment folder. Click on new entries. Click on new entries. Click on new entries. Okay, note down L underscore cost element group and activity type group. L underscore SP underscore CL CEG. CL CEG CL ATG. So you can enter any name. Okay. Keep the cursor on L underscore SP underscore CLCEG group, cost element group. Click on cost element group, CLCEG. Go to extras, create group. Go to extras, create group. Cleaning plus labor cost splitting cost element group. Cleaning plus labor cost splitting cost element group. Click on cost element button. Click on cost element button. Click on cost element button. 1 lakh and 1 lakh 5. 1 lakh and 1 lakh 5. 1 lakh salaries, 1 lakh 5 canteen expenses. 1 lakh and 1 lakh 5 salaries and canteen expenses. Save. Salaries and canteen expenses and save. Select back. Select yes. Select back. Select yes. Cleaning plus labor cost splitting activity type group. Cleaning plus labor cost splitting activity type group. Right? Click on activity type. Select cleaning and labor. Select cleaning and labor. Select cleaning and labor. Following, right? Select cleaning and labor. Select back. Select back. Check the assignments properly and save. And save. Check the assignments properly and save. Select back. Select fifth assignment, labor and mission. Select back. Select fifth assignment, labor and mission. Labor and mission. Labor and mission. Only one element, right? Click on selection for assignment folder. Click on selection for assignment folder. Click on new entries. Click on new entries. Click on new entries. This is labor and mission, right? LMCEG, LMATG. LMCEG, LMATG. Right, sir? Keep the cursor on cost element group. LMCEG. LMCEG. Go to extras, create group. Go to extras, create group. Go to extras, create group. Labor plus mission cost splitting cost element group. Labor plus mission cost splitting cost element group. Click on cost element. Click on cost element. 1,06,000 power bill. 1,06,000, assign 1,06,000 power bill. Select back. Select back. Select yes. Labor plus mission cost splitting activity type group. Cost splitting activity type group. Click on activity type button. Click on activity type button. Select labor and mission activity. Select labor and mission activity. Select labor and mission activity. Enter and save. Enter and save. Select back. Select sixth assignment. Select back. Select sixth assignment. Select sixth assignment. Cleaning and mission. Sixth assignment, cleaning and mission. Select sixth assignment, cleaning and mission. Click on selection for assignment folder. Click on selection for assignment folder. Click on selection for assignment folder. Click on new entries. Click on new entries. CM, CG, CM, ATG. Cost element group, activity type group. CM, CG, CM, ATG. CM, CG, CM, cleaning mission. Keep the cursor on cost element group. Go to extras, create group. Keep the cursor on cost element group. Go to extras, create group. Sir, you can create manually also if you don't want to use here. Okay, open one more session, create manually. Create group, cleaning plus mission, cost splitting cost element group. Cleaning plus mission, cost splitting cost element group. This is belongs to how many elements? 1,08,000. Click on cost element button, 1,08,000. Insurance account. 1,08,000 insurance account to save. 1,08,000 insurance account to save. Select back. Select yes. Cleaning plus mission, cost splitting activity type group. Click on activity type button. Click on activity type button. This is belongs to cleaning and mission, right? Select cleaning. Select mission. Save. 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 Select back. Select back. Save. Back. Select to save. Back. Save. Back. Save. Back. Save. Back. Select 7th assignment, cleaning labor mission. Select 7th assignment, cleaning labor mission. Cleaning labor mission. Click on selection for assignment folder. Selection for assignment folder. Click on new entries. Click on new entries. Click on new entries. CL. I think it is a more than 10 digit. It is more than 10 digit. Note down. CLMAG. Maximum 10 digit code. Okay. L underscore SP underscore CLMCG CLMAG. Okay. Keep the cursor on cost element group. Keep the cursor on cost element group. Go to menu, extras, create group. Go to menu, extras, create group. Cleaning plus labor plus mission, cost splitting cost element group. Cost splitting cost element group. So how many elements belongs to this? Only one, water bill. 1,09,000. Cleaning plus labor plus mission, cost splitting cost element group. Click on cost element button. 1,09,000. As per Excel, we are using 1,09,000 for this. 1,09,000 water bill. Save. Select back. Select back. Select yes. Select yes. Select yes. Cleaning plus labor plus mission, cost splitting activity type group. Cleaning plus labor plus mission, cost splitting activity type group. Cost splitting activity type group. Click on activity type button. Click on activity type button. So this is belongs to how many activities? 3, right? Cleaning, labor, next mission. Select cleaning activity, labor activity, mission activity. Save, save, back and save, save, back and save. Back and save. Back and save. Last assignment, 8th, no splitting. 8th, select back, save. 8th assignment, no splitting. No splitting. No splitting. Click on selection for assignment folder. Click on select 8th, no splitting. Click on selection for assignment folder. Click on new entries. Click on new entries. Click on new entries. Click on new entries. Cost element group. L underscore no. L underscore no underscore SP. No underscore SPT. Activity type blank. Don't enter any activity, sir. It is blank. Activity type group blank. Only enter cost element group. L underscore NO underscore splitting. No splitting. Go to menu. Extras, create group. No cost splitting. What is the cost element? To 10 lakh 10. 10 lakh 10. Telephone bill. Telephone bill. Telephone bill. Save. 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 Back and save. Sir, activity type blank. I am not splitting this cost to any activity. Right? Okay, we completed everything now. We completed. Okay? We completed. Next, we have to assign this splitting structure to our cost centers. Okay? Next step, assign splitting structure to cost centers. Assign splitting structure to cost centers. Transaction code OKEW. Assign splitting structure to cost centers. OKEW. Assign splitting structure to cost centers. OKEW. So this step I will explain in next session. Till here any doubt, sir?